Chris Aquino nagpahayag ng pagkadismaya sa post ni Vice Governor Mark Leviste tungkol sa kanilang paghihiwalay. Sa kanyang social media account, ibinahagi ng butihing Vice Governor ng Batangas na si Vice Governor Mark Leviste ang pagkamit ng Man of the Year Award ng kanyang gobernador na si Batangas Governor Himerlando Dodo Mandanas, gayon din ang pagbigay ng karangalan sa kanyang anak na si Ronin Leviste bilang Young Leader of the Year Award mula sa Asia Leaders Awards. Nagpasalamat si Vice Governor Mark sa nag-nominate sa anak at sinabi siya ang tumanggap at nag-represent sa kanyang anak sa awards night sapagkat ito ay kasama ng kanyang ina at nakababatang kapatid sa Amerika para mag-celebrate ng Thanksgiving kasama si Chris Aquino. Pahayag pa ni Vice Governor Mark na excited siya para sa kanyang anak at ina na makasama si Chris sa bago nitong tahanan. Double victory. To God be the glory. I am extremely proud and honored to witness our Provincial Governor, Himerlando Dodo Mandanas, be recognized as one of the Men of the Year for 2023 by Asia Leaders Awards. Governor Dodo was chosen as the Man of the Year for local governance, mainly because of his outstanding performance as a local chief executive in the province of Batangas and his landmark case before the Supreme Court, the Mandanas-Garcia ruling. Just as special is the recognition bestowed upon my eldest son, Lian Batangas, Vice Governor, at Ronin Leviste, as a Young Leader of the Year awardee, male category, alongside Sakahon Smith at Elaine Timbol of Pampanga, female category. Ronin was chosen for being one of the most outstanding young legislators of the Philippines and one of the youngest vice mayors nationwide. My family and I would like to thank Batangas City Councilor at Makaraig Andrea for successfully nominating Ronin. Likewise, I am humbled to represent Ronin during the awards night and accept the trophy on his behalf, since he, Councilor Andrea, my youngest son at Conrado Leviste, and my mother at Patsy Leviste, are currently in the United States to celebrate Thanksgiving with at Chris Aquino. I am very excited for Ronin and Mama to spend time with the Queen at her new home. And I'm also glad that Sito is reunited with Kuya Josh and Bim. Love, love, love. Thank you, Lord. Samantala, nagbigay ng comment si Chris Aquino sa post na ito ng butihing Vice Governor. Ayon kay Chris, nililito ni Vice Governor Mark ang mga tao. Pinili niya umanong wakasan ang kanilang relasyon at hindi na dapat maipit dito ang kanilang mga anak. Dagdag pa ni Chris, mabuti ang pagtanggap sa kanya ng mga anak ni Vice Governor Mark at gusto din niyang makilala ang kanyang ina. Isiniwalat din ni Chris na marami silang magagandang alaala ni Vice Governor Mark at nagpapasalamat siya dito sa mga panahong ibinigay nito sa kanya, subalit na sagad na umano siya. I'm sorry, I know this isn't my feed, but you are misleading people. Our children shouldn't be collateral damage because I chose to end our relationship. They have always treated me kindly, and I must commend you because Ronin is not only intelligent, but he is responsible and compassionate. I am looking forward to meeting your mom. Mark, we shared beautiful memories, and if only for that, and my decision to stay private, because what's done is done. I won't post the screenshots of your tirade against me just few hours ago, considering I had bought Dupixent and Methotrexate today. I remain grateful for all the time you spent trying to keep me company, but I reached my endpoint, November 3, 2023. May God bless you and help you fulfill all your plans and ambitions. #no regrets. Ang comment na ito ni Chris ay deleted na sa nasabing post. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.